when we install the machine. After pouring water into the bowl, sometimes we may find that water leakage. When we discover a leak, we need to find out where the water leaked from. If it's between the plastic head and the front panel. If there is a leak at this location, we need to check two places. First is tighten the nut. Check if the fastening nuts are tightened. Has it been completely tightened? Second, we need to check the D-ring behind the plastic head. We need to check this D-ring. Check if it is properly installed. Sometimes, it may not be properly installed, so it can lead to water leakage. It actually have a slot here. This card slot must match the plastic head. This is installed in the opposite direction. We can see that here has a card slot. Be sure it's stuck. Sometimes it may not be noticed, and then it get loosened. The whole D-ring might slip into this position, so it will cause water leakage here. The next location is, it is possible that water leaked from this location. Maybe this one, or maybe this one, when it leaks from the left. Mainly to check the location of the leakage. If it were a drop by drop, then it could be the stroke rod. The O-ring inside the stroke rod is worn out. When the O-ring inside the stroke rod is worn out, there will be water leakage here. There is another reason. The magic head. Has there been any damage to the magic head? If it is damaged, it can also leak water. And then the one in the middle. If there is a water leakage in the middle, there are several possibilities. The first type is the I-shaped sealing ring in the middle. The I-shaped sealing ring is broken or not installed properly. It will leak water. Second, it might be the magic head got broke. It can also cause water leakage. There is another possibility. The handle. The position of the handle, including three positions on the left, middle, and right. If the handle has not been reset, this place can also leak water. So after using it, be sure to push it all the way. After resetting it, there won't be any water leakage here.